Why are there not more people talking about blood sugar? It's time to break down the basics and unlock the secrets. Blood sugar, or glucose, is your body's main source of energy. But when it's out of whack, it can spell trouble, big trouble. High fasting blood sugar can lead to serious issues like pancreatic cancer and type 2 diabetes. Did you know that deaths from pancreatic cancer linked to high blood sugar have skyrocketed from around 13,000 to 48,000 between 1990 and 2019? It's a growing problem, especially as we age, but there's good news. Continuous glucose monitors, or CGMs, are game changers. These nifty gadgets track your sugar levels 24/7, helping you understand how food, exercise, and stress impact your health. And remember, managing type 2 diabetes starts with lifestyle changes. Think healthy eating, regular exercise, and keeping that weight in check. So, why wait? Take charge of your blood sugar today and unlock a healthier future. Stay sweet, everyone.